Okay. Nó là bé tổ xí nữa là cho là tổ khắc cơ. We're gonna go for horse clamming. So we'll see how you go there. We're at the park. Bé tổ the park nào nữa. Bé ta tổ là một khắc cơ nữa. Tổ gặp bé sai nữa. Hopefully it's gonna be a good day. Still early. Chuyển gió nữa. Hoa nó thật chung mỏng thế. Chọt tao nó bây giờ để tu tua này. Thế ở bên tụi con gì? Tua nó bên tụi mua xí này. Tôi khơi nó sai ha, trong chân này bọn nhẹ nó đọc cú sai của trong YouTube thế này. I'm headed out to the beach right now. We'll get back to you guys there. We're gonna hit some horse clam and regular small clam there. So we'll see.
Mùa nè, bây giờ một cái này nó rồi sẽ sao liền, nó sẽ cái này nè. Ồ, nó mua kì có một này rồi.
It's a big hole, so we'll see. We're gonna dig this one here. Okay. Put it there. Put a bucket there.
I want to dig there.
We gotta dig around first.
Dig around first?
Yeah. You gotta dig and then block the water. No control for the water go this way.
Xe vậy nó không to.
Set up.
Của tôi tu được khai hồi nãy nữa.
Oh, you use my shovel. Right there, baby. Come get one of this. Yeah, put the bucket.
That's a big seashell, honey.
We're gonna eat that. Block the water.
Those are your favorites, Legend.
Hmm? We're gonna dig the hole first and then we'll go down.
I think that's a really big hole.
I feel something here too.
Wow.
Turtle cleaner. First time.
Rồi thì cái liều cái này khó xử. Má một hoa của sai số. Má một sai số. Can I see please? Look over here. You look here. What is that?
This is seashell.
Seashell? Do like this, honey.
It's like a mermaid.
It is, huh? I think you guys are doing it right, man.
Give me the pink cup there, baby.
Oh. Sao như này? Tôi cứ chỉ muốn chơi chứ. Bây giờ thì các cá của tôi là chỉ các cá tôi cơ rồi.
Oh yeah, right here. I got it. You got it? It's in here. Almost there. Almost there.
Come on, you can do it, Johnny. Yes, you can do it.
Almost there.
Woo!
Hey, well, look, I think it's shrimp.
Oh, never mind. I don't want it. I thought it was baby crab. Come on, you guys did it.
Baby, that's mine, baby. That's mine, though.
Daddy need that now. Cậu là trẻ khi lúc tới chỉ có sôi trả rồi.
Lột tàu đó.
Chưa
Lột
đó.
tàu đó. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you ready? Here we go. All right.
Oh my god. Oh.
Nào đó. Lúc nào giờ.
Oh my
Này.
gosh.
Này phía đây này. a
No,
horse clam.
yeah, name pit
Take me a
here.
picture there.
Đó, cái gì đó? Okay,
Don't
Look
dig
at me,
in the
honey.
hole straight. You gotta dig around the side.
baby,
On the side?
có lýใช่ฮะ
Keep on holding. That's
Nicole.
all right. One down.
No, a lot more.
Yeah, two to go.
7. There's 7 there, you know?
This is 7. I thought this is only 3.
No, 7.
Oh, is it 7 per person? Oh my goodness. We're lucky. We're lucky, guys.
Almost here. I'm going for number 3 right here.
Can she borrow that and go this wood home?
Shut the deal with me, oh.
Shisha.
Shut up.
It's fun.
No, it's not. I've done that before. It's not.
You gotta have the strength. Stay pretty good hill there to deal with it. For one of them, you'd be like,
Too old for that shit.
yeah. That's why I trained this little young buck here. See if he can like be like me there one day. This one, I almost got it right here. I got about halfway in the body. This one's huge.
Did he retract his neck?
I already passed his neck. Passed his neck already. I'm down halfway to the end of the body there. It's just they're pretty, when they're big, it's real hard to get it up.
Are you got, you got it?
It's coming out right now.
You got it.
Oh man, that's hard work, this one here. This one's huge. This one's huge. Oh my God.
You just doesn't. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, Kai, look at the size of yours.
It's huge.
No.
Yeah.
That is so nice.
Real nice.
I feel
Put this back in the hole. You gotta get that one.
Professional.
Yeah, his first time too.
When you get that, just look around.
Minsan mga pag tayo sa piwa. Kaya di tayo mo ta. Sige to like go try ya. Oh my God, I can see the head. Minsan work a little body out, so huh? It doesn't work like that.
Get in there.
Oh, look at that. It's right there. Oh,
There we
you
go.
got it. Oh my goodness.
Go
Good
deep inside.
job.
Got it?
Tao nó lo. Cái của tôi nó tao kia là.
Okay, now you gotta fill all the hole back in. Yeah.
Let him do it, Daddy. Stop telling him what to do. He knows. Okay, cẩn thận tới rồi sách. Tao ở bên luôn như hòn nò nữa. Đi đi chứ à, như lần nào mà như xí rau mua rau hả? Có khâu mà có gì đi mình gạt tao hầu nữa.
I put up. Dig all the dirt. Get all the dirt out. Keep digging all the dirt.
Come, Sophia, you can do it.
I believe
We believe in you, Sophia.
Yeah, you can
Wow, that's so rare. What the heck?
Get all the dirt around. And just
Wiggle
squeeze,
out,
squeeze.
Sophia. Oh, there you go.
That's super big.
Wow.
I think that's
Yeah,
bigger
go
than
look
mine.
at Sophia. You pay no good.
That's a huge one.
That is big.
Can you pull down my shirt?
Okay. How to love, yeah. That's a huge one right there.
The hell does it feel like?
So people watch it, they won't get dizzy. Look, khỏi nó này kìa. Cái gì đó khó nó. Khá in gì đó.
Cái hổ nó có lò không? Hold on, right here.
Oh.
See it? Cái khổ mắm mì đó này.
Oh, good. Oh my goodness.
There's still one more right here. The real one. The real one's right here on this corner. You feel it?
Ủa, chị nào có thể có khả năng đấy đi.
Okay. Right there. You feel it? See that?
Tao lo. Ủa nó mày lúc nó xí đó
Vô mà.
horse clam đi.
Yeah, ma, that's horse clam. No, I'm saying
Ô đây này.
this one's dead already. This one.
Tông à.
Yeah, not that.
Ờ.
This one dead. See, but this is the one. It's a baby one for you anyway.
Baby horse clam.
Yep. Okay. Just pull this back in. You got mommy there, boy? Okay, go put this stuff away for you.
Ok, bây giờ cô lại đây tàu.
So,
Look at all these.
nó có bắt phải cho rồi lúc kho rồi.
Nó có là một cái ngồi cái này là tàu.
Cái chả là một kho cha nó bên mà. Chứ mình có.
I'm scared it's gonna take my stuff.
Move, I gotta put this in. I'll get it. I'll do this.
Không quá.
Yeah. So luôn à, con nó nào.
Nó lơ cửa.
Oh, that's a big one. Okay. Hold that. Cầm tay sải mì trong đó.
Chút chút của ấy.
Yeah.
Wow, ini ni mau siapa nama? Aku nama mau start sini ya.
Tao có cũng muốn nó. Một cái bát hay chắc có lúc kho. Sẽ cái gì ha? Một tổ kia ra. Một tổ kia không dám boy. Hold it up. That's a big one, right?
Yeah.
All right.
The head got cut off.
Okay. Let's see in the bucket. Oh, nice, huh?
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. Ooh. Nó này rồi sắp về quá.
Rồi thì tí nhỏ nó này.
Một cái thay cả cho cái gì nó không vậy? Wow, lo được tiền à?
Cho nó. Cho bên một cái razor clam hoa.
Rồi lo được cha, rồi cha razor clam. Nè à, rồi nè sắp tuần nó tí tao cũng nè. Tôi cho nên tôi khơi ra sẽ chúng mới rõ. Nó biết số nó mấy nuôi nữa. Ừ. Tao tí cho nó lo trong cổ thôi nè. Trong cổ này. Cho nó là horse clam. This is horse clam right here. First time we come digging here.
Mình cứ đi nó.
Nâng khơi này nè. Nâng khơi. Lo này nè. Còn cho nó là this is pretty big too, so real nice. Everybody have fun, right?
We did.
All right.
He splashed water and stuff.
Daddy.
Hi ma. Chỉ nó đây là các tua nè. The tide is coming back up, so it's okay. We had so much fun today. We'll be back in next time. Don't put water inside you, baby. You put water inside you already?
Yes, you did a little bit.
Don't put water inside you.
I want to go dig more of these.
Cho con nếu muốn đi qua bể, cho nhá la bể sẽ bỏ mỏ xí lô. Okay. This is the first time I came here for horse clamming. This is a lot more fun than razor clam. A lot of power you're gonna use. So we all have fun today. Guess we're the last people at the beach here too, and there's only a few people that digging regular clam. So
Wait.
this hard work pay off. Okay. Nó là cướp tàu cho nó lò nè, xa thủ nè. Thì cũng là mua phải lên đây sai. Mua phải sẽ lâu đi cho nó này à. Sau đó thì nó cũng là mua cho nó phải nè. Mua khẩy cả tàu lúc cổ nó tàu nó nè. So xa thủ nó nè. Cứ cưng gò nữa, mua tàu cho nó nè. Nó mà lo hơn nó lo hơn nè. Luôn luôn một cái great job cho horse clams nè. Nó horse clam nè. Lâu hùa thì đen này nó nè. Cái đen này. Thì nó mua khô nè. Số nó mới sai. Open it up like this. pretty nice size รอดนะไหลเนาะโตนะนอนเราไหลนอนได้สิเลยมันไม่ยังปวดใจเอาอีตูนะตูที่อ้อไหลนะ Now, number 3. Just cut around the edge. See it on there. See it on there. Get to number 3. Turn around this side.
Cho nó chỉ muốn hái cú là bây giờ.
Nó chỉ lá để cú theo ta sẽ mới chỉ mà lá. Now this is the 4th one, big one. This is the biggest one here. 4th one. Line tao hơn nữa, lot of meat right here. Line tao hơn nữa, lot of meat.
Nó cả bây giờ khó khổ nữa.
Yo to good, cook vậy này, you want it? Slice it as tight as you can to the shell. Like a tí nữa, like a tí họ nó có khổ nữa. Rồi, get all the meat. Nó to so tight nữa.
Nên lại bún nhô theo.
À,
Nên lại bún nhô theo.
lại như là ngay sao, khâu nhiều chop rồi nữa. To cut these out is really easy. The hard part is to dig it out from the sand.
Make sure you wash all your hands up.
Wash all these out.
Yes, here's the house.
Okay. Cột chiếu tao nè, chiếu tao nó cho một lát đi. So we're gonna cut the hair here and gonna put in hot water. Need to get the skin out. Told the cool, what the cool your lana. Put on this, gonna boil some water and put it in there so I can pull all these off. This is almost like a razor clam, but this one have the skin, so we gotta pull the skin out. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of cooking here. So this is the stuff that I clean out. Just gonna shave it out a little bit. Do some cooking on here. Slide all these out. For mayonnaise. Sure. Real good eating right here. Just need to clean out. This is the meat on the side. Let's stick to the shell. Another part of the head here. Okay, lại tao nào nữa. Lot here. Cho một ký rồi chứ nó. Cho một ký đó cho rau nữa. Gonna fry with this broccoli here. This is what I'm gonna use. All my ingredient right here. A little bit of everything here. Draw me draw na. I'll put a little bit of water in here. Draw na. Heat this up. Got cool me draw. Draw. Tea. Garlic. This lemongrass. Make it all smell good. We got chakha na. Okay, keep it. You know, just I don't know. Make sure this all the smell come out and a little crunchy here. I'll put my horse clam. No, okay. More shice and it's gonna be quick cook. Shice and cho mình cái vỏ đâu.
Lộn nè.
Put a little bit of this
Seasoning.
salt. Oyster, cho mấy oyster đó nè. Oyster sauce. So cover this out for a little bit. Let it steam up. Okay. Put the onion in there. Cho đỏ lo nó nè. Hot pepper. What's all? Đỏ mấy gì cả nữa xé trong nó nè. Chaka smell good. Keep it moist. Cho men diễn ra. Okay. Now, cho rau rồi nè. I'll put the broccoli in here. Just want to have this little fully cooked. What kind of, you know, share rau nè. Share rau sorry. Ôi thì come on cả broccoli nè. Rau broccoli.
Broccoli hay đúng hay cho nè.
Rau pa. Cho mấy cho to cả chả nha. Hành nữa. Chả hành nữa. Nó rau tròn là thế này một rau một cân gì nữa. Cho nên là chỉ xé nữa. Almost ready. Nó rau nữa. Ready. Don't want to overcook the broccoli there. Shot, huh? Cá hừng nữa. Cho mấy nó black pepper. Xong rồi đó, my ingredient. Herb. is how you catch and cook. Looks delicious there. But last thing, put a little bit of fish sauce, and then tara. Cho mesa, can't jade here. No, slow, shallow. All ready to eat. Broccoli, nah. Crunchy, not fully cooked on the vegetable. Sau mà tôi cả sẽ cho ngắt cho rau nè, sẽ cho đúng rồi đấy, tổ hạt chú, đem hai con nọ nè, gotta eat a little bit, eat this up, like the juice, cho qua nè, this is the juice, very tasty. Okay, gotta have my beer with that for all the hard work. Cứ là chủ hậu nó đó nè. Nó cho nó thế. Stubborn right here. This is the best part, the stomach. They just melt in your mouth. 咬很咬的呢，这种木壳就很那个呢 ，so it looks real hard， 用的壳嘛你捏但是嘛你去捏呢 ，it's not that hard so it depends on the person， 这个去捏呢 ，it's real fun here。 New logic, chop loy thế này, giờ có giờ host clam nè. I like it. My first time, I let it out, so which is not too bad on first time there. So I'm eating this all for you guys too. Not a nation, huh? Không biết đâu. A little bit of this in. So if you'd like to watch my channel there, please like and subscribe. Cái nhiều nó chăn tí tệ, nhảy lúc bó subscribe của nó. Cũng cho tôi nó chỉ chầu tôi cũng cho tôi nó. Để chơi chuyện này chỉ bỏ nó bỏ một tờ cá gì, do thì nó bỏ như ly thôi nè.